Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. The spirit of Python refers to the guiding principles and philosophies that shape the design and development of the Python programming language. Python's creator, Guido van Rossum, outlined these principles in the Zen of Python, which can be accessed by typing import this in a Python interpreter. Here are some key aspects of the spirit of Python. 1. Readability counts. Python emphasizes the importance of writing code that is easy to read and understand. This makes it easier for developers to collaborate, maintain, and debug code. 2. Simple is better than complex. Python favors simplicity and clarity in code design. It encourages developers to write straightforward and concise solutions to problems. 3. Explicit is better than implicit. Python encourages developers to be clear and explicit in their code rather than relying on hidden behaviors or assumptions. 4. There should be one and preferably only one obvious way to do it. Python promotes a single, clear way to accomplish a task to avoid confusion and inconsistency in code bases. 5. In the face of ambiguity, refuse the temptation to guess. Python encourages developers to be explicit and unambiguous in their code rather than making assumptions or guesses. Let's illustrate the spirit of Python with a code example that calculates the factorial of a number using a simple and readable approach. In this example, we define a recursive function factorial to calculate the factorial of a number n. The code follows the principles of readability, simplicity, and explicitness, making it easy to understand and maintain. By embracing the spirit of Python, developers can write clean, efficient, and maintainable code that adheres to the core philosophies of the language.